Lesson number 2, plants, structure and function. Let's listen. What help you to sleep that need the plants around you, which are the various part of plants. अभी इधर दिया है the rose system, leaves, flower, fruits its of different plants are different. We can identify plant with the help of this different characteristic. Let us now acquaint ourselves with the plant organ in greater details. First, keep a mistake ball of scrambled paper in a conical flask. Place some second month beans green seeds in the flask between the paper and the glass wall. Observe and note the changes in the seeds in 2 or 3 days. The part that grows from inside the need observe and note changes in the seed in 2 or 3 days. The part that grows from inside the seed toward the soil is called the ridley, and the part that grows above the soil is called the plumule. The root that form the radical grows into the ground. The root is thick near the ground and gradually tapers to a pointed end. This part of the plant growing below the soil for support is called root. Roots of some plants produce secondary roots and roots that grow obliquely and spread product secondary roots that grow parallel and spread four and wide in the soil. Roots support the plant. This type of root is called a taproot. Roots bear hair-like processes near the root tips. These are root here. The root tip is delicate. This is the region of the growth of the root. The tip is covered by cup-like structure called the road cap. The road cap protect pro- protects the road tips from injuries. Second, take a glass jar and fill 3 quarters of it with water. Place on onion on the mouth on the jar in such a way that its roots are towards the water. Observe the growth of the roots for 8 days. Thread-like or beefy-like roots arising from the system are called fibrous roots. Thus, there are two main types of roots: taproots and fibrous root. Dicotyledonous plants have tap roots, while monocotyledonous have tap roots, while monocotyledonous does root water light. Fever roots. Third, so the seeds of plant like mustard, sorghum, jawar, maize, pea, coriander, act in an at them pot. Cultivate the plant for 8 days. Once the plant grow 15 to 20 centimeter high, uproot them carefully while the soil is moist and put them gently in a large conical flask containing water. The soil will get washed off without any harm to the roots. Observe the roots carefully to see which plant have up roots and which ones have fibrous roots. Plant like maize, sorghum have two types of roots. Some roots are underground, therein some grow. Roots plant like maize, sorghum have two types of roots. Some roots are underground, where some grow from the stem just above the soil. The latter are called adventitious roots. Besides the normal function like observation of water and mineral, nurturing and supporting the plant, roots perform some other function to roots, so some modification to perform these additional function. Some example of such Modified routes are aerial route, stilt routes, runner breathing route, pneumatic to proceed food, take some water in a small glass jar, put a planted in it in such a way that its roads are dipped in the water. Mark the water level on the jar and add 5 millimeter of oil to the water. Record the water level on the next day. Discuss your observation in the glass. Why are the underground part roots emerging from the trunk and branches of a banyan tree grow? What banyan tree was very few crops roots, but later on their number increases so much that it appears like a small forest in calculate a 8 to 50 years old banyan tree in the Indian Botanical Garden cover a very large it is supported by thousands of traps of right. There any such tree in your neighborhood? Why are the underground part of plant like radish, carrot, beet and sweet potato, thick flesh and stone, which part of the plant are they? Collect images of different types of roads and send them to your friend by mail. Stem. The system grows above the soil from the plumule of the sprouting seed. As the sprout grows, the light of system gradually increases to there are nodes of the system. Leaves come out at the nodes. The part of the system between two nodes is called at an antemode. The tips or the apical end of the system is called a bud. Observe a branch of any plant and industry its different part as per the diagram. Regress left leaves ground from the nodes on a system level are grandly thin, flat and green in color. The broad spread out part of the left is called the left blood or lamina, and its edge is called the left margin leaf margins may be entrail, dentar or lobers.
वो नहीं, वो थोड़ा वो लड़की का वो शादी का बातचीत करने लगा ना, उनकी लड़की
2.7 part of left. The tip of the left is scaled. The left apex it may be tapering, pointed or rounded. Leaves of some plants have a stalk scaled petal. Leaves on some plants do not have a petal. The
अभी वो कल चले गए, अब फुर्सत में हो गए,
of the left
वो भी चले जाते हैं ना कहीं, तो
attended to the system is scaled. The leaf base small leaf like structure may be present near the leaf base. These are called stipules. Do you see stipular in all plant? Leaves of some plant have a single undivided left blade and single mid-rib. Such leaves are called simple leaves. However, the left blade of leaves and some plant is divided into a small part called leaflets. Such levels and called compound leaves. Simple leaf and compound leaf are the two main types of leaves. Observe a branch of plant like rose, neem, coriander, hibiscus. It in different plants. The arrangement of leaves on the system is different. It may be ultimate opposite worded is spiral it accounting to step leaf are rounded above it plumate loncolate near it Elton take a people left and Maisie left and observe them carefully. The people left is divided into two equal parts by a single mid vein which lives along the mid line of the left blade. Secondary vein arise from the mid vein. They are branches and from a network or reticulum. On the other hand, in laws of Maisie, all the veins are parallel running from the left base to the left apex. Thus the people left place has reticulate venation and the amazing left blade parallel venation. First, carefully observe a fully opened hibiscus flower. Flower may have a long or a short tail called pedicel. One end of the pedicle is attached to the system. The other end of the pedicel is expanded and swollen. It is called the respectable petals, and other parts of the flower are supported on the respectable calyx, corolla, and gynecium are different parts of a flower galaxy. In the bud condition, the petals are covered by leaf-like part called sepals, which are green in color. They form the galaxy corolla. This is a mode of colorful part colored petals. Observe the shape, color, and smile of the corolla of various flowers like the rose, chrysanthemum, hibiscus, magara, canna, togar, androchium. This is the male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of stamens. Each stamen is made up of another and filament gynecium. This is the female reproductive part of the flower. This is made up of carpels. A carpel consists of stigma, style, and ovary.
हिंदी तो है कि इंग्लिश पढ़ो?
इंग्लिश है।
इंग्लिश है ना, तो सीधा बैठ भैया, टाइट अभी से कमर तोड़ के बैठ रहा है। सीधा बैठ,
चला जा रहा नीचे।
सीधा बैठ के बना।
किधर पहुंचा था? Strength to have
क्या ढूंढ रहा है रे? चिड़िया को उड़ नहीं पाती।
second. Take a vertical section of a hibiscus flower with the help of a set blade by cutting the flower vertically from stigma to peridical bud. Section of the flower when would be seen to have the some structure. After maturity, another burst and pollen. Cutting flower were from simple and special birth section of the flower while be seen to have the some structure. After material, another the progress colored pollination due to pollination.
वो कुछ नहीं है।
Ovulus egg cells in the over get fertilized
का दुकान था उसको लेना
fertilized ores from the seeds and the over dissolves into a fruits of
कुछ नहीं
use your brain power
10 20
of that is plant about around flower fruit. We eat many different types of fruit. Each type of fruit has its own characteristic. There are variation in their shape, color, taste, mango contain only one seed. There is jackfruit consists of many small fruitless lets each with its own seed. Observe the fruits of bear, jujufus, mango, chico, apple. It what do you observe each fruit has a different skin.
सीधी सी बात मेरे आदमी घर पे थे पर उनका थोड़ा तबीयत दब था तो वो बोले ठंडी लग रहा था बुखार था नहीं तो बाइक से छोड़ के आते बोरी वाली तो वो बोले क्या करूँ मैं बोली आप रहने दो मैं
Chicken apple it what
मैं निकली
do
लड़के
you
को
observe each fruit
भाभी की
has a different
पत्ता सही है इधर
skin
अंदर रहता
or
है
shell.
किधर से लूँ आरे से लूँ
Fleshly
किधर से ले मेरे को जल्दी छोड़ क्योंकि मेरा 6 बजे
fleshly
तक
part and seed insect of fruits like cashews eat seed
हाँ
is outside
तो
the
मैं गई
fruit
तो बोल दे
soak the seeds of
तो बोला किधर से लूँ मैं अभी तो आरे करोड़ हम
that rice
तो मैं बोली ले लो
jowar
पिकनिक पॉइंट पार किया अच्छे से गया
groundnut
पिकनिक से आगे फाटक पड़ता है ना थोड़ा
water for
अब तो हमेशा गाड़ी आ जाए
3.4 hours presses
तो गाड़ी खराब होना
the
चालू हुआ वहीं
seeds
से अब मैं मोबाइल पे देखी किधर लोकेशन सेट कर रहा है क्या कर रहा है मोबाइल पे उंगली कर रहा
your
है मैं सबसे पहले उसका नंबर ली
fingers and
मैं
observe
रिक्शे का नंबर इनको
them which sand
मैं
get
रिक्शे का क्या हुआ तुम्हारा अतवारे भाभी ऐसा
divided
उधर से सही आया
into
आरे में
two
आके खराब हो रहा है
equal part
2
seeds
मिनट का काम है भैया पूरा
which
मारवा आ
get
जाएगा
divided
अभी तू किधर
into
रहता है मैं देखी नहीं
two
ये देख नंबर
equal
है
part are carried
किधर भी जाऊँ पहले रिक्शा का
record
नंबर लेके
laid on
बोली आते
now
मैं बोली एक फोन मारूं मारवा तो 50 रिक्शे वाले आते
which do not
अपना व्यवहार है
divide into
अतवारे भाभी अभी
into
खराब हो रहा है तो मैं
two
बोली तो जब
equal
खराब
part
हो रहा है
are
तो पहले बोले
carried
मैं नहीं जाऊंगा
monocotyledonous
कैसे हो ऐसे
seeds.
बड़ा बड़ा के ले गए मेरे को
को सारे हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर है
सिग्नल के पास ले गए
थैंक यू
भैया एक काम कर तू रिक्शा